Alright, in this video, I'm going to be comparing Framer and GSAP build sizes in Next.js. Okay, I've written some code. This is how it looks like. I have two buttons. So this is a Framer animation. This is a GSAP animation. Right, let's go to the code. This is the home page. This is a brand new Next.js application. And then this is the home page. I have two components here. So let's see the first one, Framer. This is it, a basic component. And then the other one, GSAP. This is also a basic component. Right, alright, let's try to build it with these two components, right? With Framer and GSAP. Build. All right, it's built. So in total, 145 KB. Right, let's build only the Framer. Okay, this is 33 kilobytes when you build it with Framer. Let's try GSAP. All right, this is 27, almost 28 for GSAP. Okay, I have run the build again without both of these components to see what comes up. Okay, as we can see, GSAP is a little bit smaller than Framer, but as a React developer, both animation libraries are very good. When it comes to Framer, it's easier to write code. It's very straightforward. When it comes to GSAP, there's a little bit more code than Framer, but it's really a personal preference though. But at the end of the day, GSAP is a little bit smaller than Framer by about 5 kilobytes. So that's that.